NeighborWorks America has worked for decades to overcome some of our nation's toughest housing and community development issues through our network of local nonprofit organizations across the country. Even in the midst of a global pandemic, NeighborWorks created more than 23,000 new homeowners, owned or managed nearly 180,000 rental homes, repaired more than 76,000 homes, and provided more than 438,000 total housing and counseling services.
The NeighborWorks network creates over 20,000 new homeowners every single year. The way that we support their journey to homeownership, I think, is incredibly comprehensive through financial coaching, pre-purchase education, down payment assistance, helping them shop for the right kind of mortgage, the right kind of home. We believe that homeowners make good residents. They're connected to their community in a different way. Right now, when we see, particularly in communities of color, the homeownership rate decline, this work is incredibly important.
NeighborWorks is able to do what it does because of the funds entrusted to us by Congress, state and local agencies, other nonprofits, and a host of committed private sector partners who invest in our work. They know NeighborWorks has a long history of creating positive change for individuals and communities. They also know we are excellent stewards of their resources and that we use the funds they invest to achieve the most good for the greatest number of people.
At NeighborWorks, we have a strong network of nearly 250 locally based nonprofits all across the country. We're in every state of the union, but it makes us an ideal partner because we can test and then we can replicate in communities, utilizing the strength of our network, providing a foundation of accountability underneath any national program.
Together with our partners, we are advancing homeownership opportunities for lower-income families. We're helping people avoid foreclosure and eviction. We're educating people about scams designed to rob them of their money and their homes. We're helping residents to build stronger, more resilient communities. One such program is the LIFT program, Let's Invest for Tomorrow. Developed in 2012 in response to the housing crisis and the Great Recession, this collaboration with Wells Fargo provides down payment assistance and homebuyer education to qualified low to moderate income homebuyers. The program aims to increase homeownership in underserved communities and to advance neighborhood recovery.
The down payment is the barrier, the single largest barrier to homeownership. These are individuals who have demonstrated an ability to pay a significant amount of dollars in rent every month. And they could lower that monthly payment if they could get into a home with a mortgage, but it's that down payment that is the barrier.
Down payment assistance programs help close the homeownership gap and increase opportunities for individuals to reap the benefits of homeownership.
I was getting tired of paying rent. Paying rent every month just didn't make sense. I wanted to own something. It definitely would have taken me a lot longer to save for the down payment, so it definitely helped me.
Executing a national program on the local level is how we make the greatest impact in communities across the country. It allows us to create a scalable program that can be adapted to meet the needs of each community. The financial resources from our partners enable NeighborWorks to provide training, technical assistance, and program support to our network organizations. We're able to share best practices, innovations, and new tools that enable these organizations to make a greater impact for years to come.
Administering programs through NeighborWorks America have allowed us to see what's possible. We never really thought about offering or getting into the mortgage brokerage business. However, we saw it happen great in programs that we were a part of through NeighborWorks America, and we said, why not us? And we just launched our mortgage brokerage.
Partnership with NeighborWorks or an organization like that is instrumental in helping an organization to grow. Certainly, having been here for 10 years and running an organization that has now tripled in size over 10 years, from a dollar standpoint and a staffing standpoint, and the corresponding impact that goes with that on the communities that we serve, NeighborWorks has been instrumental. Without them, we would not have experienced the same level of growth.
Strong partnerships achieve results. With the ongoing support of our partners, NeighborWorks will continue to have the resources to advance our mission of creating opportunities for people to live in affordable homes, improve their lives, and strengthen their communities.